First, log into Alibaba Cloud's official website. Click Main Account on the top right of the page. Choose Access Key. Click Create Access Key. Copy access key and secret. Type OS in the search box. Choose Object Storage Service. Click Buckets, and then click Create Bucket. Fill in this form. Click the Create button and confirm. Click Go to Bucket. Set permissions to Public Read. Log into the backend management of Opencart. Find the OS extension. Click Edit button. Fill in the parameters obtained from Alibaba Cloud and click Test button. Now we test the text watermark. Now, we synchronize the files to OSS. Find the product list. The image address is ready from Alibaba Cloud OSS. Let's add a new image. We see it's working perfectly.